Hey everybody, welcome back to Nico Brothers. My name is Mike and we bought ourselves a flooded truck. So let's check out what we bought. So basically we've been looking at the cars, we've been looking at the trucks. A lot of things have been playing, but man, things are going so expensive. It's unbelievable. Sometimes you could get a clean title on Facebook Marketplace for the same price. So hey, you gotta count the cost. If it's basically not going for what's worth, let it go. Somebody wants it more than you do, they could have it. So you just gotta let it go. But unfortunately, we weren't able to pick one up. I'm saying fortunately, not unfortunately, because it's exciting. We were there, we checked it out, and this one we looked at ourselves, and it should be a good one. We basically marked it as drive it home, and that's exactly what we're planning to do. My game plan is to fly over there, get an Uber to the Copart yard, get this thing, and drive it back home about 6 hours. An adventure awaits. So we were able to pick ourselves up a 2016 Ford F150. I mean, it's a nice, white, basic F150, but hey, this thing is a 4x4. It's got the 5.0 engine in it, so that's always nice. I know it's basically standard inside, probably the XL, nothing crazy, but hey, less electronics, so less stuff getting wrong, easier to take apart. We gotta start back basic with our flooded series. I know we did a lot in the past, but hey, this year's beginning, we're about to pick them up, so let's ease our way into it. So you could tell there is some water in the inside, it got in the floorboard, but we were looking at it, the fuse box should be good, everything else should be fine, so hopefully the starters are good, hopefully everything else is nice, and I drive back home safely. I mean, what could go wrong? Yeah, I don't know. Like I said, tomorrow morning, basically 4 a.m., I'm getting up, I'm getting on that plane, heading out there, already bought the tickets, already put it on basically for dispatch that, I'm coming there, made an appointment, because on Copart you have to make an appointment where you're gonna get the vehicle picked up. So that's all done, good to go. And just an adventure awaits. I could have put it on dispatch and had it brought here, but hey, where's the fun in that? We checked it out, we said run and drive. Let's double check our work and see if this thing could actually drive home. Whew. Looking good. I mean, that's the idea. So I obviously did my research homework on this vehicle. It never played before. I went on AutoStat, checked it. The only time it played is when we bought it. As you could tell, it was a low risk. 72,000 miles on it. It's a run and drive. It does have a salvage title because we know water damage, we were there, but hey, only played once. Insurance was selling it, so that's good. All these are great signs, so giving me the green light, making me feel more comfortable driving it home. Because sometimes you can look at a car and if it's already been played, then usually there's something really wrong with it and we try to stay away from it. But like I said, insurance company, good to go. We did win it for $13,800 was our final price. I know that's still a lot of money, basically $14,000. After fees, we paid closer to $15,000. So a lot of fees add up. So I know $15,000. Hopefully nothing else is wrong with it. My plane ticket was about 120 bucks, just getting it one way. Probably spent another $100 on fuel. So you're looking at what, 15 plus 120 plus 100 plus I need an Uber over there, another $120. So hopefully $15,500, I'll get it home, get it cleaned out, and hopefully I have a nice truck for less than $16,000. That is the plan. Hopefully it all goes well. So the Kelley Blue Book value for this car is between $25,000 to $28,000. That's just so the middle number is private party value, $27,000. I mean, that is for a clean title, and ours unfortunately will have a flooded title, so that definitely does make the car's value go down, which is so unfortunate because overall I'm pretty sure this truck's gonna be awesome and we're looking forward to get it. But Kelley Blue Book is cool and all, but what you do is basically look at Facebook Marketplace in your local area, see how much they're selling for, and to get a better idea. I mean, I'm looking stuff between $22,000 all the way to $34,000, which is pretty crazy. Alrighty guys, and I am here in beautiful Kentucky, here to pick up my flooded F150. So the plan is to drive it home. Man, this is the same place where I got the school bus, so definitely a little worried. Not gonna lie, kind of nervous guys. I hope it all works out. I hope it is a run and drive, just like my brother said, and he checked it out. So, it is what it is. Too late, I'm already here. The only difference is this time I'm by myself, so I don't have Ivan with a support car, so if anything does happen, I'm in a pickle. But hey, you know, you're gonna risk it, you're gonna try to go for it, so hopefully they'll come soon. I don't even know if it starts or not. I don't have a jump box or anything like that. Hopefully it'll be good. Let's see what happens. All right, guys, so there it is. I'm just happy to see all 4 wheels are there. Everything looks intact. I mean, we're walking around the car, nothing seems damaged. Nice. Wow, definitely gonna be an adventure. I'm kind of nervous right now, but just doing a little walk around, making sure everything looks good. You can still see that they have the door venting for the water to come out. So, you know, it's a courtesy that they do, so, you know, it doesn't mold or anything like that, get all the water damage out. So that's nice. Definitely gonna fix that before I head out. Oh. Let's go ahead and go inside and see if this thing starts. So it is an XLT, which I'm surprised because it feels like a pretty base model, but I'm just happy it's got good tread. All right, I hear a little chime, which is a really good news. Even though you could see there is definitely signs of water damage, or that could just be muddy. Hard to say. Keys are in it. Oh boy, let's see what happens. Here we go, 72K. Nice. All right, awesome. So it started. I do have my hill start assist not available and ABS light on, so I'll definitely check that out. Even go to maybe a local Advance or auto parts store and they can scan that. But hey, it's starting. Awesome. Just gonna do a quick check all around, check my fluid, head on out. So we are running. Let's go ahead and untape this and basically head on to the car wash or auto parts store just to be safe. But all right, no check engine light. Everything else seems fine. That's where we checked the fuses back in the day, or here, I guess, a couple weeks ago, you know, making sure those were good. And whew, that's fine. Looking good, looking good. Let's start slowly heading back. All right, guys, so I just pulled out and my lights went away. So usually that does happen on Fords. If everything's fine, you know, it freaks out at first, but then it clears up, so that's good. All right, let's go nice and slowly. Dang, there's the gas station up ahead where the school bus broke down. I had to replace the starter. I don't know if I want to pull over there. I got gas. Let's just keep going. No need to stop there. I am gonna go to a auto parts store, get some cleaning supplies, and find a car wash, and just clean it up a little bit, make my 5-hour journey home a little smoother. Nice. So there's my water line, but thankfully I made it to Advance, no problem. Gonna get the stickers off, get some cleaning supplies, wipe it all down, and get ready for the road. Probably head to a car wash after this. Whew, the adventures. All right, I got all my supplies. Let's go ahead and head out to a car wash, get this thing all pretty, and head on the road. So nice, starts right up. That's awesome. Gotta go ahead and get rid of my Copart sticker. I'll do that at the car wash. All right, guys, made it to the car wash, no problem. Man, this thing's driving like a champ. Honestly, once I get rid of all these other marks on it, that's gonna be good. Won't even tell. Sweet. I'm really thankful. Let's go to clean it up. It's definitely our favorite glass cleaner. Let's clean it all. Razor blade on the glass, no big deal. You just don't want to use a razor blade on the paint because you'll scratch it up. Got some glue residue. Oh yeah. Wow, that came off altogether. That's nice. Usually come in pieces, so not bad. I'll get that off with my glass cleaning and razor blade and get it done. Gotta go ahead and wash my dirty tires. Rinse that off real quick. All right, looking good, looking good. Nice. What a transformation just for giving it a bath. Let's go ahead and vacuum it up. At least the places where I'm gonna be sitting and driving, make it more comfortable for my 5-hour journey. Once we get it back to the shop, we're gonna completely take it apart, you know, take the seats out, bottom carpet. Because every flooded vehicle, you do wanna strip it down all the way to the bare metal, make sure there's no water inside. I mean, I didn't smell any, didn't see any, but hey, who knows? It's good to check, but we'll do that back at the shop. So let's just first get it cleaned up a little bit and we'll be on our way. Here we go, guys. Interior's not bad, pretty clean. I'm gonna go ahead and try to drive home. Nice and carefully. Alrighty, 5-hour road trip ahead of me. Let's get it done. Still no lights in the dash and going strong. Nice. Just started driving, but gotta pull over. Right lane. Yeah, let's go. Uh-oh. No, I'm just kidding, guys. I'm hungry. Let's get some food. Why not? I'm in town right now. It's already past 12 o'clock. Let's do it. Yeah, just went to a Wendy's. Basically, it's a good time for me to wash up, you know, clean up, get some food, and hit the road. In Kentucky, next to a school bus. Uh-oh. Just kidding, guys. That's my ride. Nice. About halfway there. Still have 2 hours left, 2.5 hours, but hey, going strong. Alignment's good. Nothing's overheating. Transmission fluid's good. I mean, the temperature's good. So oil. Still got plenty of gas. Man, this truck is solid. I'm really happy. Awesome. Let's just keep driving and hope don't get any surprises. Alright, guys, back at the shop. We made it safe and sound. Praise the Lord. Nice. What's up, Ivan? Oh, got an F150. What you got there?
I got you a surprise, Michael.
Nice.
I think.
What is it? Looks like
Maybe not.
trying to get some goodies for the F150. Nice.
Oh.
She did good. Got some shocks. What are we doing this thing? Lifting this thing?
Oh, it's just the rear.
Oh, wow.
No, it's not.
Nice. There we go. We got lift kit. Wow, that's the whole front and rear lift kit.
I got a level kit for your new truck.
Nice.
More work for you, you know?
I mean, it drove great, so why not invest a little more into it, make it look real nice, level it out, maybe put some wheels on it, but nice. All right, guys, so what a journey since 4 in the morning to all the way now. It's dark already, but hey, made it back safe and sound in one piece. Great shout out to Copart manager over there for helping me out, you know, came in there, was really friendly, was really nice, helped me, you know, get back here, no problem. But make sure you guys check your local DMV rules, make sure you have your proper information because you can't just drive out, so you gotta, you know, call ahead kind of thing. So look into that. But hey, I'm happy I'm back here at the shop. Definitely tired. I don't know why, you know, just been commuting all day. Didn't really do much work, but at the same time it's exhausting, kind of waiting in line, you know, going there from point to point. I went from like connection to Uber to all the way back here. It's been a day, you know, not bad. So I still need to go ahead and strip this thing, get it cleaned out because it is a water flood damage, so you don't know what's going on inside. Overall, it didn't smell bad, nothing. Alignment was good, didn't pull, no lights in the dash, so drove like a champ. I'm happy about that, but like I said, we're still gonna check it out. So make sure you stay tuned. We are gonna get this thing stripped out, get it cleaned out, you know, down to the bare metal, make sure it's all good. We'll hopefully get that done soon. Since it's back at the shop, I could properly clean it, get all the little residue off from the glue and stuff like that, but overall, not bad. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Thanks for joining me on this adventure of mine. You know, it was fun. It's possible, you know, you find something, you go out there and you drive it back. I actually had friends do that before too. He got one that was hail damage and he flew out there and he drove it back. So I'm not alone in this crazy adventure. People do it. But yeah, we'll catch you until next time.